Hello friends, my name is Sachin Bed and I welcome you all to my all new series on Gate Biotechnology. So today we are going to talk about introduction to Gate Biotechnology, and in my further lectures we are going to talk about biotechnology for Gate in more detail. 3 months left for Gate Biotechnology 2018 and the preparation day starts from today. So let's talk about myself first. My name is, as I told you, Sachin Bed, and I'm a student of MSc Biotechnology final year. I've been I've been teaching since last 4 years to my seniors and juniors, and I have done my graduation in microbiology from Delhi University. So let's come to the ground zero and let's talk about GATE. GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering and is conducted by the IITs. IIT here stands for Indian Institute of Technology. This exam is conducted for entrance in MTech and PhD, and it is generally conducted once a year in February. The next GATE, that is GATE 2018, would be conducted by IIT Guwahati in 2018 February. Why I have told this, or why I have added this information is very much important and would be discussed later in my second lecture. Now, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology includes subjects like chemistry, biology, maths, information science, and is a product of these general science subjects which finds its application in bioinformatics, biomedical engineering, and biology. IIT generally teaches in subjects like bioinformatics, biomedical engineering, and biotechnology. It also teaches in subjects of life science. Every year, 5 to 10,000 aspirants sits for the GATE entrance examination in biotechnology, and this exam is basically very easy, but it is a little bit tricky. And for the surprise, first 2000 rank holders gets into the IIT very easily. Remember, this GATE exam is parallel to entrance exam, and students generally take both these exams, sits for both these exams, and most of the students sitting for these exams are of MTech, and there are less number of students who sits for PhD, and so it is easy for a student aspiring for PhD and trying to get into the IIT by sitting in the GATE. Once you clear the GATE entrance exam, you could very easily get into the prominent institutes for a PhD. And remember, doing a PhD from IIT makes you a perfect man in India and in world. Depends on the mentality. So anyways, let's talk generally about the question paper of GATE. It is an online based exam. This should be known by everyone. And this is a single paper examination that you do not have to sit. That means that you do not have to sit for 2 shifts or 3 shifts like in NET. And there would be 65 questions only, and you would get 3 hours to just attempt these questions. 65 question, 3 hours, 100 marks maximum. Remember, 2 types of questions are there, MCQ and NAT. MCQ stands for multiple choice question, where you would be given 4 options, and out of these 4 options, 1 would be correct and all the 3s would be closely related. Tricky but easy. NAT stands for numerical aptitude test and numerical ability test, whatever you call it, and would not carry any negative marks. That is, numerical questions would not carry any negative mark. Remember, I'm telling, numerical questions would not carry any negative marks, but this kind of question would not come with any kind of option. You just have to calculate and tell the answer. And the MCQs would come with 4 options and would be coming with negative marks too. Once you attempt a question wrong in 1 mark, you invite 1 by 3 negative marks, and respectively in 2 marks question you invite 2 by 3 negative marks if you're wrong. Okay, now what are the strategies one has to adopt for cracking the gate in first attempt? These strategies are discussed here in brief and would be discussed in detail in my next lecture. One should know the syllabus. The second thing is mark the interest. Third thing is regular practice. Fourth is motivation, and fifth is belief. Now, know the syllabus means you have to analyze your syllabus in detail. We will do the analyze. We will do the analysis of syllabus in my next lecture, and we'll talk about how to mark your interest. We'll talk about the strategy, the plan to get into the gate, and how you have to use these 3 months. And we'll talk about regular motivation, and we'll talk about how to improve our personality while developing these habits of getting motivated daily. And one has to believe oneself and regular practice how we can do this. And these are the things which we are going to talk about in my next lecture. And then one by one we will discuss and we will learn about the new topics of science starting from biochemistry. And remember guys, I am also aspiring for gate. I'm going to sit in the examination for the first time, and why I am doing this is to make my learning experience an interactive one, and I would like my subscribers, my viewers, to make their own video on any of the topic from the GATE Biotechnology syllabus. Email it to me and I would upload it on my YouTube channel, and it would help all of us, including me. And let us see who among us cracks GATE Biotechnology. I know it is an interactive way to learn and share and be friends with people around the world, around India, and which we are having a common interest. So welcome guys once again, and hope we enjoy our journey for GATE Biotechnology. Thank you everyone. I'm Sachin Bed.